Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. Sibuyile sise-rewind niyazi ukuthi into esidume ngayo yini. Thina si-interview each and everyone. But today we have ama-promoters wethu ba-promoter iYakamaister sinosisi. She will tell us all about their products. How are you, Sister Njani?
Ngiyaphila Sister Njani.
Ubani igama?
Igama lami Thulisile wase.
Please tell us about your new products. I see it's a orange Yakamaister. It's my first time saying it.
Really? Okay, so we've got a very bold new flavor, Yakamaister orange. Ayiko that new, but ikona. So because we decided to promote it more. Okay. So what we're doing today is that if you buy 2 shots, you stand a price to win. And we've got awesome prices. We've got Amatrix, Yakamaister. We've got cool socks. We've got floaties. Yeah. Siphethe Yakamaister. And it's a couple of podela.
Ozokuthi ngiflota ngizoFlota
Yakamaister. Siphethe ama-tumbler cups. Very cool.
You guys are trying to make us eat Java once.
Sifuna ukunifaka endweni angithi abantu bakhanda amathambla ama-stand nathi sifuna ukwenziweni sifake ithambla yakho Yakamaister.
Oh, okay, guys, we see the Yakamaister orange. So have you tasted it though?
Yes, definitely. What I can say, because I'm a customer wethu my taste orange bacabanga ukuthi bazothola leya flavor leyana enebu-medicine enebu-herbal but this one is completely different. But it's very nice. It's got a citrus flavor. Yes.
Okay, mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngizozitholela 2 shots from usisi bese angipha 1 extra. So
Yakamaister sizophutha imali.
guys, ngathi ngiyakotha. I understand. But anyway, thank you Sisi for the interview. Thina sizothenga. Wena uzophuza namkhanye?
Cha, mina ngiphuzi ngisebenzini.
Oh, okay. Siyabonga Sisi, siyabonga. Please guys, there's a new product Yakamaister but it's been there but manje bayayipromoter. So please ithenge uyitaste but imnandi. Mawuthanda sabo orange nyana, please do buy it.
Come through.
And there's prizes to win. And then this is Party Slayers with Lapush. Please follow us on Facebook. I'm Portia Lapush and also Party Slayers, the page. Please subscribe, like, and comment on YouTube.
Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Ngisho namagutsumela phakathi.